If this looks like your makeup type, simple, clean and glowy, then you stop by and watch how I do it. First thing you need is a moisturizer, and I'm going in with the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Apply it onto the face, blend that in with clean hands or with a brush. Let it dry down, then you go in with the primer. Then for primer, I'm going in with the Essence Jelly Grip 2-in-1 Refreshing Spray. Let it dry down before you go in with foundation. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline New York Super Stay Luminous Foundation in the shade 368. Spread it out with the brush for easy blending, and we blend. Just like this, you've evened out your skin tone. We will use this Essence Baby Got Bronze in the shade 40 Hazelnut to bring back warmth to the face. I use this brush to blend in our bronzer. Add some Essence Baby Got Bronze Lips and Cheeks blush in the shade 50 Cherry Cherry Baby. Blend that in. We highlight using Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer in the shade Warm Toast. Blend in the concealer using a powder puff. Then finish up with the under eyes. And immediately after blending the under eyes, you take your powder and new powder puff. Pick up some powder on your powder puff and even it out on the back of your hand. Then set immediately. We use this Essence Loose Mattifying Powder to fix the highlighted points. Set the rest of the face with a little bit of powder. Add a bit of powder blush. Use my powder brush to tone down everything and eliminate harsh lines. A bit of concealer on the eyelids. Blend that in. LA Gay eyeshadow palette. Pick up some dark brown eyeshadow. Place it on the outer lid. Blend out the edges using orange eyeshadow. Add some concealer on the inner lid. Blend it in like this. Then you pick a brighter shade like this. Apply it on the inner lid. Then you just have to come back with the brush and blend in the edges. Essence Dip Eyeliner. Line my eyes with. I'll fill in my eyebrows with the Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil. Clean with some concealer and blend in the excess. Then I'll pop in these lashes from Catrice Cosmetics. Mascara. Add volume to natural lashes and also create a base for false lashes to sit. Line my lips with this pencil. Catrice Shine Bomb Lipstick in the shade 070 Hottie. Then I'm just gonna blend it in with Dutch lipstick. Add a little bit of this Maybelline Super Stay lipstick. Then I top it off with this Essence Hydra Kiss Lip Oil. And we fix it with the Maybelline Super Stay Lasting Fix Spray. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Until next time, see you.